Hi and welcome back. I'm so excited to be sharing a project with you today, and I must say that I was so inspired. I got a couple of samples from the new release from Miss Ink, and can you see all the beautiful drawings? And I didn't get the physical stamps in time for the release, so I will be sharing a couple of sneak peeks here of my printed and colored in images, so you can see all of the amazing designs that today are available, and I will link to all of the products that I used in this video in my description box down below. So you can see I went ahead and colored in a lot of the images, and I started with the ups and downs. That's the part that I colored in sort of a gray toned color scheme. I just love those stairs. And then I decided to cut out a window, and then I decided to cut out the same window out of my card base here. I just use a rectangle in my stash, and then I will adhere some plastic to my card base here, and then I will do this process again, attaching my window. And for my small characters there, I was using, I believe it was the Charming stamp set, and I just colored them in. They are super cute. I also used the Magical Graduation for some of the images, and then I attached on the inside of my card base my colored in staircase there, and then I have a yellow frame. So here it is. Then I can start attaching my characters to the front side. So here you can see I have a cute little witch with her wand, and a little boy with his camera, and then a little cat to the side. I will also adhere a hat and a little mouse here. I just thought it was fun having these people like watching her when she did her magic trick. And for my card today, I didn't put a sentiment, and that was I didn't want to put a sentiment anywhere here. I think that you can put any sentiment you like, and I love having cards like this in my stash that are blank, so I can grab a die or a created sentiment strip and just go across my card when I know exactly what I wanted to say. So for her magic here, I took some gold stars and attached them with some liquid glue, and making sort of a swirl on my card base, making this look like she is performing the magic and they are watching her do it. So I thought this was really cool, and I love how it turned out with a see-through card front and the sequence that is floating on top of it. So here it's done, and I hope the camera is picking up how beautiful those stars look on top of that staircase, and I hope that you also think that it looks like she is doing her magic show there in the middle of the stairs. So go check out Miss Ink's new release, and I hope you like this short video showcasing some products from it. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!